another vlog. Because look at outside. Look at this, bro. What's up, bro? What the heck is wrong with you, bro?
I'm running slow. Rainy day went on my.
I'm so fucking tall. I'm so fucking tall. Obviously, I'm the tallest person in this house. Obviously, the tallest person.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Ma'am. She's too tall. No, really though.
Oh, I got a Crocs.
My little minion. I have Crocs on.
Take Crocs off.
Big change. My little minion.
No, this is my son.
Alright, this is, yeah, there you go. Here you go.
My son. Go fetch, boy.
I ain't no dog.
You're funny. I have a funny son. You at home.
And then tell him, Peter.
You at home.
What's wrong with that girl? Till I slap in the head. Why is she vlogging her life to y'all? Like, y'all not important, man. Kenya is vlogging her life on the cellular device. I'm gonna stop it.
Bro, it's so raining out here. I'm gonna show you guys from the back porch. You can't even see the raindrop. Barely. Oh. Coco's so nosy. Did you really get a blanket?
That's what this is?
Yeah. That rain probably feels like bullets. You know when you're on a yacht, bro?
That's what I'm gonna get it back.
But when we were on the yacht, most of the time we were on it. No, I think like twice when we were on the yacht, it rained and it felt like bullets. And just imagine how we were all like in the middle of like a hurricane. Well, almost a hurricane. Little muskrats like my brother go outside and do stuff like this. Look at this kid trying to get the ball that I got stuck over the fence yesterday. In the rain. While this other muskrat is whining because she wants to go outside too. I think I'm the only person in this family who has a little bit of sense. Even though I couldn't say inanimate. I still don't think that's how you say it. Even though I couldn't say that yesterday. But we don't speak on that. Little muskrat. Come on, Coco. Yeah. Why is he so determined? Bring it down on Muskie. You're not going out there, I'll tell you that. And look at his shoes. He got old cleats, bro. He not even got his feet already in it. And then this muskie, she wants to go outside in the rain. She look crazy. And then this muskie, he wants to dry bowels in the rain. I can't deal with this one. Alright, bro, we gotta feed the fish today. Cause it's like 10 o'clock and I still ain't doing that. So it still smells like my carpet is shampoo. Went a little fast there, Pinky. Oh yeah, I do have 2 betas. I gotta go to my other tank. The only reason that my other beta is in this little tank is because we're waiting on this beta to build a bonus so that they can mate. Cause I didn't want to put it in the tank because last time I did that, the female I had died. But it wasn't because he bullied her or nothing. She just didn't eat. I don't know why. So I'm keeping them in separate tanks until he builds it. But he's like just now getting back healthy from when he was damaged. He's starting to grow his fin back. It's cool. But yeah, so my other bed, hopefully he builds one soon. But if he doesn't, then he just doesn't. Oh no.
Sick of wonder.
Alright, bro. That's it for betas. Look in that computer. I just want to let you know. You know these, what the hell? Ew, they already, okay. We're gonna, clean my bathroom. Alright, Windex. Oh, there, I forgot. They don't like to get name brand because why? I don't know. But ammonia free glass. Great value index. Front mirror, you can't see this man. It's stupid, I need some person. It's stupid, curtain stuff, one and two, I wish I was recording them. I could listen to music. It's cool. Just wait until I get the camera, bro. Oh yeah, you're gonna come with me today. Today's gonna be a cleaning day. We have a free day. So we're gonna clean. I cleaned my room yesterday. I haven't been in, yes I have, that's a lie. Let me stop lying. I just went in there. I haven't cleaned the bathroom this week. It wasn't my turn. But now it's my turn. And you know, when we show up, we show out. And that's, never mind, I didn't want to say it. But when we show up, we show out. Period. We're done with this area. Alright, and this. So now, we gotta clean our bathtub. Okay, I'll wait 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and take all the stuff out because I have to mop today. You know what I just realized? I didn't even it before. What a great, I don't even know. But whatever it is, I'm horrible at it. That should have been about 30 seconds. Everything else is out of the bathroom, or at least out of the way. What's up, you guys? It's Adrian Kenyon here. This video is so fucking long. Like, it's an hour right now. Like, it started out, like, when I first looked at it, before I even touched it, it was like an hour, like 41 minutes. And now I've cut it down to like an hour and 6. And I still have a lot of more clips to cut down. So this vlog that I recorded today might not be up. It's gonna be called "Oh, the Rainy Days" or something like that. Some corny, most likely. But I just wanted to speak on something that I should have spoke on earlier today, but I didn't. I know everybody in the Panhandle is being affected right now by tropical storms and Hurricane Sally, and I just wanted to say, stay safe out there. I know our power went out about 3 times. I know the first 2 times it just blinked, like it was like pop, pop, and then it went out for about 5 minutes or maybe less. I don't know, maybe more. But I just wanted to say I'm praying for all of you guys, and I hope you guys stay safe during Hurricane Sally. They said it's still supposed to go on, and if I just be quiet right now, you can just hear the rain outside, hopefully. Like, hopefully you heard it, but it's like pouring down raining outside. It's been pouring down raining all day. We haven't been able to do anything really, but I just want to say I'm praying for all of you guys who are involved in Hurricane Sally. I know everybody's not affected by it right now, but just the Panhandle. I don't think we got the hurricane. I think we just got like the rain part of it, but I think we were in the hurricane earlier. I don't even know how it goes. But yeah, I just want to hope you guys, I just want to say, all of you guys, I hope you guys stay safe. Anybody who watches this that lives in the Panhandle, and anybody who watches this in general, because anything can happen, it could always shift and just go wherever somebody else is. So I just want to, I just want to just say, I hope you guys are safe, and hopefully this all passes over soon, because if it doesn't, then we're not even going to be able to do anything. And then we're going to get out of school even later. Like, but yeah, stay safe. Back to the video. And I don't know when I'm going to upload again. But hopefully, if I get it done tonight, then I'll upload it. Like, I uploaded late last night because I edit both of those videos. But I'm going to try to edit this all night so that I could drop it tonight. It'll probably be late, though, like 12 or 1. Maybe even 2. I don't know. But yeah, so stay safe, and back to the video. Process. I gotta do something else. I need to remember. I get the bleach. Oh wait. Oh no, the jug almost splashed in my eye. Time to drink it. No, I'm just joking. Alright. I think we can put this back in there. Woo. We gotta make mop water too. gonna sense it. Yep. Just in case, because my dog is really stubborn. She doesn't like going to the bathroom all the time. This is very simple mop. All I do is pull the handle and you'll spray up the mop water. And then all you have to do is just mop. Simple. I love this mop. Ouch! It makes me not hate mopping as much as I do. And the water lasts as well. And it dries real fast. So like, I recommend you get it. We're gonna mop today too. Not because are you done? Not because we need to, just because why not? In the parent class just get your children these mops. It'll give them the same mentality. Like regular mops are boring and tiring. Like this is so simple and easy. If I find it, I'll put it on the price on the freaking screen. Just gotta wait for this to dry and then put our stuff back in and we're done. So I'll see you with the bathroom. We're about to do my after chores now. Well, that is part of my chores. So we're gonna do the rest now. I forgot to do You missed. I didn't know this thing went. You're autistic.
Huh?
I just said autistic. Artistic. He's gonna. Alright, now, testing my patience. You love my scratch.
She ain't doing that. That's how far from me.
You tried to fart on me.
Yeah, I'm not.
Fart in there.
What? What? I got that. I got that for.
Where you go?
I know you. Really? Oh!
Gang.
You slow mess.
Boxing.
Boxing?
Boxing.
We need gloves to box.
Boxing.
We got here, we need.
Play box.
We need gloves
You don't need gloves.
then. I ain't swinging at nothing.
Stop.
I stepped.
Do the thing now.
What? Are you right there, nigga?
That I mopped. Come on, get off the floor. Get off the floor. Hey, get off the floor. What are you doing? My phone. So you can do. Alright, but we're almost done with household chores. I went on my brother to do the kitchen for breakfast. But other than that, we're done.
They're going to begin to release more pestilences, GMO mosquitoes, GMO seed. They're importing the earth on purpose.
What little
When
puppy?
I say
What
they,
little puppy?
it's deeper than just
What
the
little puppy?
politics.
What?
We wrestle
Oh,
not
now
with
you want to
flesh and
lick
blood.
me. Okay, okay.
Principalities and powers, the workers of darkness and high places.
Likewise. And now, cheeseburgers.
This how I'm annoy people from now on. He said the pilgrim homes. I just can't get over that, man.
Bro, I'm back. It started raining hella hard. It's like the power that went off twice, but it went off for like a blink. I'm gonna show you outside now. It's like heavy. We might actually have a hurricane. Came in slipping. The umbrella even gave out on me. Oh, I hate how it doesn't show up on the camera, bro. It doesn't want to show up, but it's raining hard as hell. Like right here, it's full of water. We might actually have a hurricane. Be the first, well, not the first. It'll be another hurricane after over 11 years. That's crazy.
We can go into the menu on the remote,
Okay.
and once you're there, we're going to go to settings.
DirecTV better count their days because they messing up our cable. Like we was on the phone with the people like most of the day. They better count their days. I gotta do my laundry that I was supposed to do at like 3 o'clock. It's like 4 o'clock now. Alright, you guys, the cable is working now, but it's raining hard. So like every now and then the signal will be lost. I'm gonna close my door just in case I'm gonna try to barge in there. So every now and then the signal will be lost. But I got some carpet fresh on my carpet right now, and I gotta wait about 35 minutes, I think, before I can take it off. So I'm about to chill and start editing this video. This might be the end of it. I might not come back, but it's only 4 o'clock. But it's still raining hard as freak, and it's probably gonna rain harder. But I think it's gonna be the end of this vlog for today. So, oh, I need to start saying this now. Give me ideas on videos to do because sometimes I just be like, I don't even know what to record. So yeah, give me ideas in the comments because they're on. Peace.